Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on Ticketmaster. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Afterpay, log into your Afterpay account. So once you've logged into your Afterpay account, what you're going to do is simply search for Ticketmaster. So search for Ticketmaster and then you will see on your results, you will see Ticketmaster. So what you're going to do, just click on it. So when you click on Ticketmaster, this will take you to the official Ticketmaster website through Afterpay. So you go to do this, you go to visit the Ticketmaster site through Afterpay. So make sure to use your app, otherwise you won't be able to use Afterpay to make the payment. So once you have now, we are on the Ticketmaster website. So what you can do, you can just go ahead and browse and book the tickets that you wish to, and then when you check out, you can simply select the Afterpay option, because since Ticketmaster is recognized by Afterpay, so you can simply use Afterpay to complete your purchase. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.